Summer is here. That means fresh peaches and ripe bananas on your counter, but it also means the dreaded fruit fly invasion. Are you tired of messy, smelly DIY vinegar traps? Here are the 3 best ways to clear your kitchen. First, the TERRO Fruit Fly Trap. This passive trap is completely silent. It looks like a cute, decorative red apple. It uses a sweet, non-toxic liquid to lure flies inside. Once they enter, they cannot escape. It has 0 mechanical parts, so it never breaks. Second, the Zevo Flying Insect Trap. This is a hands-off plug-in that works 24/7. It uses safe blue and UV light to attract pests. The curved shield completely hides trapped bugs from sight. You never have to touch anything sticky. Third, the green gobbler fruit fly goodbye gel. Killed the flies, but they keep coming back? They are breeding inside your slimy sink drains. This thick gel clings to your pipes and kills the larvae. It is made with natural citronella and is safe for plumbing. Pour it down before bed for a bug-free kitchen. Combine these 3 for a pest-free summer.